the CAD, just maintaining the plan. If we look at the CAD from last week, the CAD yen, we should have been buying it above 83.11. We have a structure point at 84.96. And let's look at the CAD yen. And just visualize in your head look at this day here. If you want to do like a minor comparison between which is stronger, the Aussie or the CAD, like we were discussing, as I mentioned to you, we do have more room to the upside with regards to the CAD. You can see how a little bit much more explosive this move here in the CAD yen versus if you look at your chart in the Aussie yen. The Aussie yen is much more gradual to the upside, but both of them are the same. We are going to be buying both of them, and we closed the week at 83.32. This one here is 83.34, pretty much the same. We don't really have a sell signal over here. Thursday high is 83.25, 83.17. So we should remain on the buy signal. And if you look at your intraday chart for the CAD yen, you can see the staggering. I mean, this is amazing. This shows you how the levels have been observed by the market, and it is pretty much concise in this area. So looking at that, it gives us a clear where we want to sell it. So we're only going to sell it below the 88, 82.80. I mean, that's it. I mean, there is no reason for us to short it below that, because as you can see here, it's been holding all that all day long, and we can buy it right above. That is at a daily high over here, which I can put a line for you, which is the 83.35. So, and I have the market side that's 83.40. So we're going to buy it above 83.40. I'm going to remove this line. So we're going to buy it over here, 83.40, and we are going to put our stop here. So this stop, which is the 82.98, is going to be the long stop and the short stop. So for the CAD yen, we are going to buy it above 83.50, and we have our structure long point remains the same at 84.96, and my stop is going to be the 82.98. That's going to be my long stop and my short stop. And on the short side, we're going to go short below 82.80, and our structure short point is the 82.35. So we're going to, for the CAD yen, we're going to go long above the 83.50. If I do, I have a structure long point at 84.96, and if I buy it at 83.50, my stop is going to be, it's going to be quite big. You know, this is I'm sorry, the stop here is 83. It doesn't really matter. Sorry, it's 83.10. It should have been here below 83.10 right there. So my stop is 83.10, so I'm risking about 40 pips on that trade. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 82.80. If I do, I have a structure short point at 82.35, and my stop is going to be 82.98. Okay, this is the CAD yen. So So let me save that.